Reach your dreams now, a step-by-step guide to creating a life of infinite possibilities. Welcome to the Reach Your Dreams Now course, where you will learn a step-by-step method to create the life you want to lead. My name is Gioya, and I will be leading you through this course. I'm a certified transitional life coach, author, speaker, and founder of an organization dedicated to helping people rewrite their lives. I designed this course for anyone seeking to change the course of their lives to reach the lifestyle they desire. By the end of this course, you will decide the best direction for your future, create an action plan to reach your new goals, and take steps to take you to your dreams. You will learn how to turn your passion into a purpose, how to set meaningful goals, the key to making good decisions, and what actions to take to turn your dreams into reality. The ideal student for this course is the person who is ready to change but is not quite sure how to do that. There are no requirements for this course. I only ask that you come ready to embrace change.